Alright, so I'm at work, and last night when we were at the bonfire, we actually left and we were gonna go take a photo somewhere, but as soon as I got out of the parking lot, my car threw a check engine light, or not the check engine light, the engine service light, and it started running like crap. And today I scanned it, and it looks like I have a PO303 and a PO304 and then the PO300. And those are obviously misfires on cylinders 3 and 4. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and try to figure it out. This is what happens when you buy a Beamer. I kind of expected it, but not this early on, which sucks. Sucks big booty. Alright, so we just finished trying to diagnose my check engine light, and it looks like I have a bad coil. Thank God, motherfucker. Right, Carlos?
Yep.
Don't worry, I won't put you on the video.
Better than the fucking injector.
Yeah, way better than the injector, because injectors are like 200 a piece. How much are the coils though?
Probably should be.
I'm gonna look it up. Yeah. Let's check this out. BMW 335i coil. Looks like 200 for a new set. So I'm gonna put my piece of shit back together so we can head out. So this one was originally what? 3? 4? And 1, 2. I'm so stupid. I drew on the connector.
Yeah, that ain't gonna help.
What's your drawing line? Wait. Yeah, that's 2. Okay. So now we gotta fucking put all this shit back together. I can't time lapse it, so I hope you don't record the whole thing.
I'm not gonna record the whole thing. I'll just record parts of it and you start editing.
So you're gonna record the whole thing and have me edit the whole thing. That's what you're pretty much telling me.
Maybe.
Oh, fuck. Thanks, Carlos. You helped me a lot. See ya, dude.
Kia burnout? Who said Kia can't burn a tire?
So a little breakdown of what we did. We scanned the car. We got 3 codes, the misfire codes for cylinders 1 and cylinder 3 and 4. So basically, I swapped the coils. Yeah, I just swapped the coils, pretty much it. And then here comes Carlos again.
I said I was gonna close the door and I forgot.
I know. I was noticing that as I was speaking to the camera.
My bad.
It's alright.